Hello, crypto world. Tuesday afternoon, the stock market just closed, and we had a kind of volatile day because the inflation data that came out today was less than expected, and the stock market appreciated and went up. And interest rates, though they initially on the number backed off, they then went higher and then they backed off at the end, and they're down not significantly, but we see them backing off. Now, in crypto, we had crypto basically green across the board, and it's firm, both because interest rates dropped and the dollar stayed very low. Plus, we have stuff coming up, and some of it's amazing. Number one, amazing. The crypto community is so happy about Trump coming in as president that there's going to be a crypto ball in Washington on the 17th of January, and it's sponsored by the crypto world. Trump will be there because he's going to be honored. And the invitation costs $2,500 per invite if you want to go. Now, you know he's going to make a speech there that's pro crypto. And it's pretty cool that we have the crypto world honoring Donald Trump on the 17th. Now, today's PPI was very important, but tomorrow's CPI, Consumer Price Index, is incredibly important for interest rates, the dollar, and it will affect crypto if history's any guide. Now, it comes out at 8:30 in the morning, and let me give you an indication of what to look for. The consensus is that inflation will run at 0.3% for the month, and that for the year to be 2.9%. Obviously, if this 0.3% is higher, it's negative from the perspective of the dollar and interest rates in crypto. And if it's lower, it's beneficial. However, we know we have all this stuff with the new administration coming, and that may overshadow, if you will, as long as this is not dramatically harmful to the interest rate structure in the dollar, in terms of what's going to happen to the price of crypto. Now, there's one quick point I want to make. We all know that there is expectation that in 2025, we will have an XRP ETF, we'll have a Solana ETF, and many people believe an HBAR ETF. And what I'm going to mention is, in the case of the Bitcoin ETF, approximately 6% of all Bitcoin is in the ETF. In the case of Ethereum, round number 3% is all in the ETF. And we can agree that at 3%, it hasn't really affected the price of Ethereum the way the ETF for Bitcoin has affected its price. And that is also likely to be true in the case of the ETFs for XRP, etc. So what we want is to have close to 6% of the outstanding XRP in the ETF, and that's unknown if it'll do it. And if it's at 3%, it may not have the impact that we would like. But bottom line, a very good day. And if we don't have a disruptor number from the CPI and it isn't higher than 0.3% for the month, I think the market looks pretty strong.